Very good morning, children. It's my pleasure to see you again. This is Rinku Giri with part 4 video of chapter number 4, Birds, for standard 3. We have already studied some topics like birds, how does a bird fly, feathers, beaks and claws. Today we are going to cover up the topic birds and their nests. Birds build nest for the same reason as man builds his home. They usually lay their eggs in their nest, hatch and nurture the young ones till the time they can fly away. It is also important to protect them, their newly hatched young ones, from being eaten up by the bigger birds and animals. Every kind of bird has its unique ways of building its nest. They are using many things to make their nest, like dry leaves, straw, hay, grass, and twigs. They make their nest soft inside. It's very cozy by using cotton feathers. They'll select a cozy place in the branches of trees where the nest will not be noticed by the bigger animals or birds, like their enemies. Weaver bird. Weaver birds are known as to build the best nest. These birds weave a beautiful nest by using grass and dry leaves hanging from a branch. The nest has a tunnel-like entrance. It's very beautiful in appearance. The weaver bird also takes care that the nest does not fall down easily. Next one is tailor bird. The tailor bird built its nest with leaves. It uses its sharp beak as a needle to stitch the leaves. Straw, wool, cotton, they use to make the nest. Wool, fine grass, hair and cotton keep the tailor bird's nest nice and warm. Woodpecker. The woodpecker makes its nest in the hollow of a tree. It keeps pounding the tree trunk with its hard and pointed beak to make its nest. It keeps the nest warm with grass and lays its eggs there. Vultures and eagles are having the same kind of nest, and they built their nest on large trees, tall trees. Vultures put few sticks together to make their nests. Penguins, lovely bird, flightless bird. Since penguin cannot fly, they build their nest on the ground. See, they use pebbles to make their nest. Sparrows and pigeons. Most birds build their nest on trees. These birds sometimes make their nest inside houses, especially those that are vacant, that is untouched by the human beings. They use ceiling fans or top of the cupboard where the human beings are not touching or any animals, any enemy is not coming. Quails and cuckoos. This is for your knowledge that they are very lazy bird. They don't build their nest. They lay their eggs in the nest of other birds like jungle crow and raven. The young ones are nurtured by foster parents without their knowledge. We must never trouble birds by touching their nests, eggs, or young ones. Birds should be free to fly in open sky. Do not imprison birds within a cage. Be sensitive towards those lovely creatures which make the world a lovely place to live in. So here we take leave, children. Thank you for watching my video. I have tried my best to make it easy and interesting. So keep practicing and learning questions at home. Keep social distancing, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Have a nice day.